Hello, this is How To Bob, and in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the clutch on a 2002 Honda Shadow. Now you can see this one engages real late. As far as the lever is out, it finally starts to pick up. So I'm going to adjust it. I'm going to start out above the kickstand. There is a cutout and there's a 10mm nut located in this cutout. I'm going to take that 10mm nut out, and then behind here, if you reach your finger down, you'll find a little clip here. Pull that out and it looks like this. There's another clip located right here. I just reach that and you can spin it around, and I just pull that up. And now that I've got that, this cover over the clutch will pull right out. You can see it comes out. Now there's a washer here and another washer over here, so I want to make sure I catch those. And you can see here's my adjustment. So I'm going to loosen the top nut here and give it some play. Once I've got that somewhat loose, it'll slide back and forth. Now I'm going to tighten the bottom nut. Once I get that tightened, I can do a test, and you can see that it picks up a lot quicker on the lever. Then I'm going to take some of the slop out of my cable at the top, just so my cable's not real loose, and I want to leave a little bit of play in my lever here, and that's all there's to it. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different places plus where the bolt goes. I have to line those up with the bike here, and once I get those pegs lined up with the holes, I can push that into place. There's little rubber grommets around there. Put my cover in for my clutch cable, and it just slides into the cutout here on the cover, and then I can push my cover in tight. Now I've got these washers. Those washers are going to have to go on the pegs, and you got to be careful not to drop those down in there, or you have to take the cover back off. Once I get the washer in, I can take my clip and slide it over top of the peg. It's really hard to see to do this, but it just pushes right into place, and then I can rotate it down so I don't see it. Same with the rear one. I just want to push the pin in, push my little clip in to the peg here, and I do this first before I put the nut on, in case I drop one and I have to take it back off. Then I don't have to take the nut off. All that's left to do is tighten the nut down, and that's how you adjust the clutch on a 2002 Honda Shadow. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.